Hi guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhania. If you guys love sarees and don't know which fabric to use, we've got the perfect set of organza digital print and embroidery fabrics which can be customized into sarees. Now these organza fabrics that you see are quite new and exclusive in our collection. As you can see, it's in a beautiful lilac shade and all of the embroidery work over this is in a very vibrant shades of thread work embroidery. You can see there are floral works done, there's a lot of birds that are there here and a lot of other shapes and designs across the fabric, which makes it look quite elegant and perfect to create a nice dress for yourself, a lehenga, anarkali, suit set. Anything can be created with these kind of fabrics because they look just perfect. A nice pastel shade of turquoise color here for you in a nice organza fabric. Now the base color itself is quite light and elegant. It gives a very subtle and beautiful touch. If you take a look at all of these English roses that have been digitally printed on the organza, these fabrics would be just perfect to create any kind of dresses, any modern outfits, or even if you want to create a very dreamy suit set for yourself or a beautiful dupatta, these lightweight organzas would look just amazing. You can take a look at how beautiful the fabric is. It's so soft and it would drape perfectly on your skin too, and it would be just perfect to create any kind of lightweight outfits during this season. Now for a dreamy and pretty sari for yourself, I think this fabric would be the perfect inspo, because here we've got this very nice pastel shade of pink color organza fabric with beautiful roses and flowers printed all across the fabric in vibrant shades of pinks and reds, which gives it a very beautiful touch on the base note, which is a nice pink color fabric. Now the base color itself is so pastel, so a nice sari could be the perfect one for this fabric, and it would be beautifully customized with a nice border work, and all of this customization can be done through our designers here at our store, and it can be done in a very gorgeous way. You can also create beautiful dresses for yourself, lehengas, or even if you want to create any kind of suit sets too, these kind of fabrics would look very nice and very soft. Now this fabric could be perfect for a puja or haldi function because the fabric itself is in a gorgeous yellow color, nice organza fabric, and all over this you can see this beautiful thread embroidery done all over the body of the fabric in nice shades of browns and greens. So to pair it off as a sari, you can wear a nice brown blouse and give it a nice contrast, or any kind of other complementary colors with this yellow color fabric would look very perfect. You can create nice lehengas with this. You can customize this into a gorgeous kurta for yourself too. Even a menswear kurta would be something very unique in this organza fabric because of its lightweight texture and how beautiful and crisp the fabric looks. Take a look at all of this embroidery work too. It's been minimally done across it in a very beautiful way. Now here we've got a maroon shade of organza fabric, perfect if you want to create any kind of dark shaded sarees for yourself. A gorgeous customization can be done with this organza. If you take a closer look at the embroidery work, it's been done in a nice multicolor thread embroidery which looks very different and unique. You can take a look at the floral work as well, and all of the design which has been done in a grid-like pattern across the fabric, which is perfect if you want to create something more monotonous. You can add a beautiful border to this, something in gold, and the fabric would just be perfect to be draped into a sari. Especially if you're going for organzas during the season, it would be quite trendy as well and would be the perfect kind of fabric for a nice breathable look. Also, this fabric can be customized into beautiful anarkali suits and also a gorgeous kurta. So yes, this fabric can be used in different ways because of the color too. It would match any kind of skin complexion and would complement any Indian skin tone. Now we've selected a dark shade again which would complement any Indian skin tone. If you're going for any night party looks but you want to wear some, this fabric would be the perfect fabric for it. As you can see, it's in a nice dark blue shade which gives a very royal effect, and all over it this beautiful embroidery work done in nice gold zari that you can see in a nice leaf-like pattern across the fabric. Perfect to create that sari that you're looking for. Even for a blouse piece, if you want to pair it out with any complementary tones, this dark blue shade would give off a really rich and nice look. So the entire fabric is quite beautiful, and the sari as well would be perfect to be customized into this fabric. Now here we've selected a nice pastel shade of organza fabric in a beautiful pink color. As you can see, it's a very muted pink tone, but all of the embroidery work being in pink gives off a really rich and beautiful look. So if you're going for some kind of party wear outfits and you want to create a sari out of this kind of organza, it would look just gorgeous. You can take a look at all of the embroidery work done in thread work embroidery, light sequin work done, and also zari work. All of this is a mixture of beautiful embroidery work done on an organza fabric, perfect to create that lehenga lehenga look as well or a sari. It would be just amazing for any kind of pastel themed wedding or any occasions for a day out. Now a light orange pastel shade of organza fabric with beautiful embroidery work done in between of it. It's a bit more minimal, so if you want to create a nice subtle and elegant kind of sari, adding a beautiful touch of border, be it a lace border, banarsi, kanchi border, and really want to stand out, this fabric would look beautiful on it. You can take a look at how different and unique the sequin work on it is done with nice thread work embroidery, which is just perfect for any kind of party looks that you're going for. Any pastel themed wedding or any kind of day outs, this fabric would be perfect to customize into a lehenga, a suit, a sari, or even an anarkali. So yeah, these organza fabrics are just gorgeous and delicate. Now we've selected another gorgeous yellow shade of organza fabric. Again, this one is also quite pretty and the embroidery work on it is quite beautiful. If you take a closer look at it, all of the thread work is also nice contrast shades of yellows and orange. And the best part is all of this light sequin work that you see, which would be perfect to create a nice and elegant outfit. Could be a lehenga, a sari, or even a beautiful dress for yourself. If you're looking for something in a nice shade of yellow, this organza fabric would be perfect because it's lightweight and breathable too. Now here we've selected this very beautiful purple, dark purple shade of organza fabric, and the best part about it is the beautiful embroidery work that you see on it. It's in gorgeous paisley design which makes it look very traditional and authentic, perfect to create a suit set, A-line kurta, or even an anarkali. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media pages. If you want to know more about the customizations, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.